In this video, we shall solve problems on projectiles. First one says a body is kicked at an angle with the horizontal. The ring covered by the ball is 3 times maximum height. Find the angle of projection. Okay, 3 times maximum height. This is fit for those that wants to write external examinations. Okay, it's very is fit for your revisions. Okay, all right, before we get started, let me remind that this is a projectile problem. Okay, all right, so let's get started to business. So question says that the range, right? It says the range, okay, covered by the ball is 3 times maximum. This is just the information we were given. So from here, that means that 3 times h max is equals to what? Range. Very simple. That means 3 into what? You know this to be what? To be u squared sine what? Sine square theta all over what? 2g to be equals to what? U squared sine 2 theta all over who? G. Now this can check out this, right? So we have 3u squared sine square theta, right, all over 2 to be equals to what? This guy is what? U squared sine what? Sine 2 theta, right? Now this can cancel this, so we have 3 sine square theta all over 2 to be equals to what? To be equals to sine 2 theta. Okay, this is simply saying 3 sine square theta all over 2 equals to what? Equals to, this is simply saying 2 sine theta cos what? Cos theta. I hope you understand this. This is from trig identities. Okay, from trig identity. Find this difficult, go and refer to your trigonometric identities. Okay, in your mathematics, right? You say sine 2 theta is same as saying 2 sine theta cos theta. Okay, from here, you know, this is sine square theta. That means we have 2 sine theta here, then we have 1 here. So this can do what? This can take out this one, so we are left with 1. We have 3 sine theta over 2 to be equal to what? 2 cos what? Theta over what? 1. If we cross multiply, we have that this times it will give us 2 into 2 cos theta, right, equals to what? 3 sine theta. Okay, this will give us 4 cos theta equals 3 sine theta, right? Okay, now if I take this to display, I have 4 over what? 3 to be equals to what? To be equals to sine theta over what? Over cos theta. This is just a ratio. Okay, it's a ratio because I'm trying to get the value of theta, but then I know that there's a relation that exists also under trig identity. There's a relation that exists between sine and this. So when this divide this, it will give me what? It will give me tan. So that is what I'm doing. And then another thing again, I'm also taking cognizance of the fact that if I should cross multiply this, I will have this back. Look at it. If I cross multiply this, okay, if I should cross multiply this like this, you know, sine theta times 3 will give me this back, and then cos theta times 4 will give me this back. That is what I'm doing. So I'm not just doing it you know, anyhow. So 4 over this is equals to what? This over this. Okay, now the whole of this is what is tan. So I have that tan theta is equals to what? 4 over 3 is what? 4 over 3 is 4 over this should give us 1.3. okay, 1.33. Now get the tan inverse of this. Tan inverse of this should give us what? Tan inverse of 1.33. Okay, let's see that is equals to what? It's giving us 53, right? 53.1 degrees. Okay, so that is that. So with this, we've come to the end of the problem. Okay, the answer is what is the angle of projection is what is 53.1 degrees, right? So if you've not understood it, please go through it again, and also if you have any question, just drop it on the comment section. Okay, thank you. Question says a stone is dropped from a height of 196 meters. Neglecting air resistance, calculate the time at which the stone will strike the ground. Okay, so let's solve this one also. Now, you know that whenever a body, okay, whenever a body is, falling from a height, okay, whenever a body is falling from a height, right, the initial velocity, okay, u is always equals to what? 0, right? Now, from this question here, now find out that the Newton's equation that connects this is the one that says S is equal to what? Ut plus half gt squared. Okay, now if u is 0, then everything here is 0, so S is equal to what? 1 over 2 gt squared. Okay, now our height, it says drop from a height, this is 16 meters, so our S here is this is 196. Okay, is equals to what? Is equals to our g here is what? Our g is 10, so 10t squared all over what? All over 2, right? So this is 1 and this is what? This is 5. Okay, we have 196 to be equals to what? 5t all squared. So t squared alone equals to what? 196 divided by who? By 5. What would that be? That will give us 196 divided by 5. This will give us 39.2. Okay, t alone equals the square root of what? 39.2. Okay, that will give us what? This will give us 6.26. So t will be equals to, if I approximate this to one decimal place, I have 6.3 seconds. Okay, so with this, we've been able to come to the end of today's tutorials, okay, on projectiles. And in case you have not understood any question we solve, please do well to play the video again and pause it, and then try other questions from your text. Okay, before we go, let me remind us about the first equation of motion. As in all the equations of motion, the first one says that v is equals to what? Ut plus what? V is equals to u. V is equals to what? U plus at, right? Then number 2, that S is equals to what? Ut plus half gt squared. Okay, the third one says that v squared is equals to what? U squared plus 2as. Okay, yes, so these are the equations of what? Of motion. And for the sake of this problem, this is what the one we use. Okay, so that's all. Thank you. Do well to like and subscribe, also share with other colleagues. Thank you.